NeuronWriter Review 2024. How good is this AI SEO tool? NeuronWriter is an AI-powered SEO writing and content optimization tool. It's designed to help you write and optimize your website content fast so that you stand a better chance of ranking on search engines like Google. Unlike some other AI content writing tools, NeuronWriter is mostly geared towards website content, i.e. blog posts and landing pages. And as such, its user interface is designed around a typical blog article writing workflow. The idea is that you choose a search query you want to rank for, and NeuronWriter will perform an in-depth SERP analysis for that query to provide you with insights, SEO tips, and NLP suggestions to help you create content that ranks. Then, you can write the content in NeuronWriter's advanced content editor. And to help speed up the traditional content creation process, you can use the GPT-3-powered AI writer to automatically generate headers, questions, and even full paragraphs. Overall, NeuronWriter is definitely worth checking out if you're looking for an AI-powered writing tool to help you to create blog articles fast. Its neat user interface, one-click WordPress imports/exports, powerful SERP analysis tools, and SEO optimization tips are just some of the features that make it a fantastic choice for bloggers and content writers. But while it's great for blog posts, it's not so hot when it comes to other types of marketing content. Its selection of AI writing templates is limited, and there are no templates for things like PPC ad copy or Instagram captions. So if you're focusing on PPC/SMM rather than SEO, you might be better off looking elsewhere. But given that the AI writer is a bolt-on to their content creation optimization toolset, this may not be a deal-breaker for you. If you're still on the fence, we'd suggest signing up for a free trial to try it out for yourself. For more detailed information, please see the description below the video.